12 best free project management software. Hello, hope you're doing good. If you're on the hunt for free project management software but you don't want to sacrifice features, you're in the right place. As in this tutorial, we'll be breaking down the 12 best free project management software tools. Whether you're running a small team, managing solo, or collaborating on a large project, these tools will help you stay organized without the hefty price tag. Let's dive in. At number 12, we have Trello, and I would consider it best for visual task management, as Trello is the go-to tool for teams that love using visual boards to track progress. They offer features like Kanban board and also collaboration, which will allow you to organize your tasks on boards, lists, and cards, and also easily invite team members and share files and comment on tasks. They also offer numerous integrations. For example, you can connect with apps like Google Drive, Slack, and more to enhance productivity. The only con that I would say with Trello is limited advanced features on the free plan, like time tracking and reporting. And you can see Get Trello for free in the top right hand corner and you can start using it. At number 11, we have ClickUp. And ClickUp is an all-in-one project management platform with a wide range of features, which is why I consider it best all-in-one tool on our list. Some features that it offers is task management, which will allow you to create tasks, assign them, and track progress with custom views. You can also easily collaborate, you can share documents, leave comments, and keep your team in the loop. They also offer a time tracking feature with their built-in time tracking to monitor how long tasks takes. The only pullback with Trello on the free plan is the free plan is packed with features. There are some limitations with advanced features like integrations and automations. And number 10 on our list is Asana. Asana, I would consider it best for task management. Some features that it has is task and subtask management, which allows you to create tasks, set priorities, and assign due dates. They also offer project views, so you can switch between lists, board, or calendar views for different ways to track your work. They also offer team collaboration, so you can share tasks, add comments, and tag team members to keep everyone aligned. The only pullback with Asana is it lacks some advanced features like reporting and timelines on the free plan. At number 9, we have Airtable. An Airtable, I would consider it best for flexible data management. Some features that Airtable has is customizable views. You can organize your tasks using grid, calendar, Kanban, or gallery views. They also offer collaboration features so you can share your work with team members and collaborate in real time. Plus, it also syncs with over 100 different apps, so they have numerous integration features which will allow you to streamline your work. The only con is the free plan has limits on the number of records you can store in a base. At number 8, we have Monday.com, and I would consider it best for team collaboration. Monday.com offers a highly visual and flexible platform for managing projects and collaborating with your team. For example, their task and project tracking will allow you to create boards, track progress, and set milestones for your projects. You can also work together in real time, share updates, and leave comments. Plus, there are numerous ready-to-use templates available to help you get started quickly even if you're a complete beginner to project management tools. The only pullback is with their free plan it is limited to just 2 users and doesn't include advanced features like timelines and reporting. At number 7 on our list, we have TeamGantt. And TeamGantt I would consider best for Gantt charts. Gantt charts will give you the option to visualize your projects and timelines, and you also get access to their task tracking. And they also afford you the option of team collaboration, so you'll be able to share updates, communicate with your team, and attach files directly to your tasks. The only pullback with TeamGantt is their free plan is limited to only 3 users, which is a deal breaker for larger teams. So if we were to go onto their pricing option right there, you can see free plan is available, and you can also see that they offer a free trial period if you would like to use that. Now at number 6 on our list, we have Wrike, and I would consider Wrike best for workflow and task management. Some features that it offers is their task and project tracking, so you can assign tasks and set deadlines and track progress. They also offer collaboration features and file sharing features. The only pullback with Wrike is their free plan lacks some advanced features like reporting and custom workflows. So you can go onto Wrike and tap on Try Wrike for free, or I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. At number 5, we have Notion, and I would recommend Notion as the best for all-in-one workspace. Some features that Notion has that stands out is customizable pages, so you'll be able to build your project management workspace with database, task lists, and more. It also offers collaboration features, so you can share pages with your team, comment on tasks, and stay in sync. And I consider it an all-in-one tool, meaning you can manage tasks, write notes, and plan projects all in one place. The only pullback is limited file upload sizes and advanced features in the free plan. But after you get used to the free plan, if you would need an update, you can quickly do that as their pricing is quite affordable. For example, if we were to go onto their pricing, you can see right here it starts off at $10 and it goes up to $15. And number 4 on our list is Quire, and I would consider it best for simplicity and focus. Some features that it offers is their keyboard shortcuts. With the use of your keyboard shortcut, you'll be able to quickly manage your tasks and streamline your workflow. They also offer features like collaboration and task management. And number 3 on our list is Zenkit, and Zenkit would be considered best for versatile views, as they offer multiple views which will allow you to organize your tasks in lists, Kanban, table, or calendar view. They also offer task management, so you can add tasks, set deadlines, and assign team members and track progress. And they also have collaboration features. The only pullback is some users find the interface a bit overwhelming at first. And number 2 on our list is ProofHub, and I would say ProofHub is best for simplified project management. It offers task and project management. They also offer time tracking and team collaboration. So whether it is a case you like to track the time spent on a task, or you like to share files or comment on tasks, you'll be able to do that using ProofHub. The only thing is the free plan is limited to just one project, so it's best for small teams or individual use. And number 1 on our list, drumroll, is Toggl. And I would say Toggl is best for scheduling and timelines. Some features that it offers is their timeline view. You will be able to plan your tasks visually with Toggl intuitive timeline view, similarly to a Gantt card. They also offer task management features, so you can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress in an easy-to-read interface. And also you'll be able to use their team collaboration feature, so you can share tasks, comment, and collaborate with your team directly in the platform. The only pullback is the free plan allows only one project, making it ideal for smaller teams or individual users. So in conclusion, it varies depending on the features that you're looking for. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.